Okay, this is fucked up. Alright. Now my fucking temperature gauge works. Bullshit! With no check engine light. This fucking car's cursed. And now I've got no high gear. Because apparently third and fourth is dead in this transmission I bought. So, hooray. First and second still here. But now my temperature gauge works. Don't have a check engine light. This fucking car is cursed. I need the check engine light on. The ABS light comes on. But the check engine light. Now this car's fucking gonna die completely. This is fucking bullshit. I'm telling you, fucking crap. The coolant gauge did not work when I went to the last two drift events. And all this time I've driven this car, that gauge has never moved. It always was on cold. Like, never fucking moved. Ever since the check engine light, since I bought this fucking car. This is not good. This is bad. So yeah. Kinda sucks about the transmission. Just took it for a little test drive. I don't have an interior light, so it's a bit dark, but yeah, unfortunately, if I put it in gear, put it in D, foot's off the brake, give it a little gas, nothing. But we go. There you go. And now we're moving. Reverse. Got reverse. We're moving backwards. Put it into D. Fucking nothing. Put in the other fucking D. Fucking nothing. Second. We're moving. And obviously first. So yeah, that's not good. Paid $150 for this transmission and it's fucked already. So yeah, that I don't like that. I better not knowing the fucking needle. Oh yeah, I don't even think my and that gauge never worked, the kilometers. So if that starts working, I should just sell this car and get rid of it, because fully that's not fair. Anyway, thanks for watching for my stupid rant. See you next time.